Hello, today I'm going to teach you how to crochet this strawberry and cream granny square. You're going to need a red worsted weight, a green worsted weight, and a white worsted weight, as well as a 5.5 millimeter crochet hook. So let's get started. We're going to begin with our white color and make a magic circle. Then you are going to chain 3. You're going to make 2 double crochets in the magic circle, chain 2, 3 more double crochets, chain 2, 3 more double crochets, chain 2 and 3 more double crochets, then we're going to pull our tail tight, chain 2 and slip stitch to the top of that chain 3. Now we're on our second round, and for second round we are going to chain 3, slip stitch to that corner space, and then in our corner space we're going to make 3 double crochets. Chain 2, and we're going to start our next double crochet, but stop when you have 2 loops, and we are going to yarn over with our red color. Now we're going to make 5 double crochets in that corner space. Then we're going to pull our loop up, go into this loop here, bring our loop back up and tighten it, and make a slip stitch. This is just making it puffy so that it looks more like a strawberry. Now we're going to change to our green. Then we're going to go into our red stitches and pull up a loop in each of those, but we already have a loop pulled up in that first one, so begin in the second one. Then you're going to pull through all 5 of those with your red, and change your color back to your white, so just chain 1 to reconnect that, and make 1 double crochet right back into that corner space. Just like that. Now we're going to move to our next corner space and make 3 double crochets in the white. Chain 2, start 1 more double crochet, but don't finish it. Take your red, yarn over, and make 5 double crochets with the red into that same space. Go into that first stitch, take your yarn and slip stitch it through. Then we're going to change to our green and do the same thing from before. Pull up a loop in every red double crochet. You should have 5 loops, pull through all of them, and change your color back to your white and make 1 double crochet back into that corner space. We're going to repeat the same thing for both of the corner spaces. I'm at the end of my round and I'm going to slip stitch to that first stitch. We are going to start in that very same space down below and make 3 double crochets. Go in your corner space, the chain 2 space from the last round, and make 3 double crochets, chain 2, and 3 double crochets. This is basically just a normal granny square round, so you're just going to go around and do your basic granny square round, make 3 double crochets in those spaces, the spaces with no chain, and then your chain 2 spaces, make your 3 double crochets, chain 2, 3 double crochets. And you're going to slip stitch to that very first stitch you made. Cut your yarn, fasten off, and weave in any tails you have. I did a couple more rounds so you could get an idea of how it looks if you did more strawberries. I think it looks adorable with more strawberries. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I will see you next time.